Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a quick, fun tutorial called the Ridged String Network. So it's a really quick workup, makes a really neat pattern. Let me show you what I have here. If I stretch it out, you can kind of see what it looks like, but it is double-sided. You can use this either way. It would be fun for like a cover-up or even panels in a curtain or something of that nature. It looks like a really, really fun pattern to add to anything, really. So let me tell you a little bit about this crocheted stitch. It is in multiples of 4. Now, if you're going to be starting from a base chain, you're going to want to add 2. If you're going to add it to a project you are currently working on, it would be in multiples of 4 plus 1. Now, this is a 1-row repeat. You start off with a base row, and then you do a repeat of your second row. So I'm going to pull from the other side. I'm just using some purple ombre here that I had left over in a ball. And we're just going to work from the other side of it just so I can show you this pattern. So for the pattern swatch that I used here, I did a multiples of 4 and then plus 2. So I chained a total of 14. We're going to start with a slip knot on our hook and chain 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now we're going to go in the second chain from the hook. You can work in these back bumps if you so choose. For this tutorial, I'm just going to work into the front of those chains. We're going to count back. This loop is just a loop on your hook. We're going to count back 1 and 2, and we're going to single crochet into that chain. Then we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the 4th chain and repeat 1, 2, 3, and skip 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the 4th chain. And one more time, chain 1, 2, 3, skip 1, 2, 3, and into the last chain, place a single crochet. Now row 2 is your repeat row. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Single crochet back into that same stitch and chain 1, 2, 3. We're going to jump over this chain 3 from the previous row and single crochet into the single crochet. And repeat 1, 2, 3 chains, skip your chain 3 and single crochet into the single crochet from the row below. One more time, chain 1, 2, 3, skip your chain 3 and single crochet into that last stitch, which is a single crochet from the row below. One more time, we're going to chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to repeat that row 2 with a single crochet in that first stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3. Jump over to your next single crochet. So we're skipping the chain 3 from the row below. Single crochet into the single crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3. Skip your chain 3 and single crochet into the single crochet from the row below. Chain 1, 2, 3, and skip your chain 3 and single crochet into that last stitch, which is the single crochet from the row below. That is all there is to the ridged string network. Very easy 1 row repeat, multiples of 4 plus 1, or if you're starting from a base chain, like I did with you today for my swatch, it is multiples of 4 plus 2. All right, everyone, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.